Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. Today, we are taking your Android audio experience to the next level by installing the Dolby Atmos Magisk Revision module. If your phone sounds a bit flat, this root modification is exactly what you need. Before we begin, let us quickly go over the requirements. Your device needs an ARMAB v7A or ARM64 v8A with ARMAB v7A support architecture. You also need a 32-bit HIDL audio service, Android 4.2 SDK 17 and up, and you must have Magisk or Kitsune Mask or KernelSU or APatch installed. Now, let us open up our file manager. In the Downloads folder, you will clearly see the two zip files we need for today's tutorial. The first one is the main Dolby Atmos Magisk Revision Magisk module itself. The second file is the Audio Modification Library. Keep in mind, you must install the AML or Audio Modification Library Magisk module only if using any other else audio mod module alongside Dolby. If Dolby is your only audio modification, you can skip the AML file completely. Let us move on to the actual installation process. Open up your preferred root manager application. To get this working, you need to install this module, Dolby Atmos Magisk Revision Magisk module, via Magisk app, or Kitsune Mask app, or KernelSU app, or APatch app, or Recovery if Magisk or Kitsune Mask installed. Navigate to the Modules section and select Install from Storage. First, choose the Dolby Atmos zip file and let it flash. Once that finishes successfully, go back and do the exact same thing for the AML module if your setup requires it. With the modules flashed successfully, it is time to apply the systemless changes. Simply press the Reboot button that appears at the bottom of your screen. Your phone will now restart. Now that we are back on the home screen, open up the newly installed Dolby Atmos application. The interface gives you immediate access to some incredibly powerful sound profiles. You can switch between dynamic, movie, music, and custom presets depending on what you are listening to at any given moment. The dynamic profile automatically adapts to the content playing on your screen, delivering crisp vocals and deep bass without any manual tuning. If you dive into the custom equalizer, you get granular control over the frequency bands, allowing you to boost the lows for punchy bass or raise the highs for crystal clear treble. There are also toggles for a dialogue enhancer to make voices stand out in movies, and a volume leveler that prevents those annoying sudden jumps in loudness. It completely transforms your listening experience from the standard audio output into a rich, immersive surround sound environment directly on your mobile device. That wraps up our guide on installing the Dolby Atmos Magisk Revision module. I hope you enjoy the massive upgrade to your sound quality. If you found this helpful, please drop a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more Android modifications. See you in the next one.